And welcome to next video. Can you have multiple websites on one AdSense account? Reply to that is 100% yes, you can. You can have multiple websites. You can create a website, but you need to add each of them to your AdSense account. A few years back, it used to be absolutely an easy option that many times Google won't even ask you, if that website is yours. Some people used to apply with other people's website. Example, they will find a website that it was a great website, designed properly, and basically had everything needed to be accepted to AdSense. So what they used to do is when they went to apply, instead of applying with their website, they used to use other people's website to apply. So when imagine that the owner of this professional website, one day they decide to apply for AdSense, and then once they go and apply, it will just say, oh, this domain already has been used for another AdSense account. So it used to be a tricky this way because you could work around. However, Google has changed these things recently, which I think is very clever the way they have changed. Now what you need to do is you need to prove that you own that domain. To prove you own that domain, what Google they will provide you with the code so that you can install the code into your website. And once you install, basically you just let Google know that you own that domain yourself. Because if you don't have access to your website, then basically you just don't own the website. So what do you need to do in this case to add multiple websites? It's easy, just log into your AdSense account. I type in AdSense 3 always because it takes me straight into the dashboard instead of re-adding, password again. So once we're there, you need to click on sites, and then you need to go and add a website. So in here, you can add multiple websites yourself. You could just add any type of site, example, demo2.com or something like that, and just click next. And then it just tells you basically so-and-so domain, you're applying for, and then just copy the code, go and paste into your website. To paste to your website, it goes easy: appearance, theme editor, header for head.php, which should be in here. Once you're in here, basically just paste the code just below the head, and then click on update file. Come up to the code to AdSense again, and just click on submit. Once you've done that, you have completed your step with the first website. Just go and add another website. So you go again back, and then this time you add second website, and you do the same thing all over again. So yes, you can add multiple websites, but it doesn't mean that AdSense is going to accept every single website you apply for. So make sure your website is fully ready for AdSense to apply. So what you do, make sure when you create a website, leave it at least 2 or 3 months basically for the website, so it's not new website, because you want to apply with a website that has been on internet for some time. Make sure it's got a content, make sure it's got a good theme, good template, and easy basically for user to navigate to. Make sure also you include pages and posts basically into your website, so then the user, they can find what they're looking for. As far as you have this, and also make sure you don't use a domain related to maybe a drugs or X-rated domain or something related to that, or a hatred domain, when basically organization could be anything that is hating one another, or it's putting a hate speech or something like that. If as far as you avoid this type of niche, then basically your website, you should be ready to go and should be absolutely fine to apply for not to apply for AdSense, but to add into your existing AdSense account. So that's it for this video. Hope it helps. Please do subscribe as well, because we keep updating you with the new videos very often. Thanks for watching this video.